In form parameters part, you can set your form parameters here. For example, in this record form, as I showed it before in the record forms part, there are one form group. Its name is general information. You can edit your form group name, and also this in this form group there are, as you see, there are 5 parameters here. One of them is primary key to save the record in your tables, and the other one is I think this record form is being used for another form's child. So this is the, I think, another form's parent ID. This is the education time title, sorry, and this is education time, and this is the reason to save this record. There are lots of parameter types. For example, when I want to change it, as we will see here, these are the data type here. I can set the data type, color, date, date time, file, float, image, integer, etc. You may see it here. These are the noun formats, but I want to mention this actually. This is the record value to get another record value from another record forms tables. This is relational part. You can set this parameter as a relational, so if you bind this parameter to another record forms parameter, you can get the value in condition. This is selectable, like in combo box or select list in your tables. This is table data. For example, in this table data, you can get retrieve data from a table from in this application, or you can retrieve data from your ERP solution. If I select this, I can bind my parameter to my ERP system, and also this text part to write strings, and time part and unique identifier to retrieve unique values here. This is the label part and also the other label part. This is the width on the screen in 12 part. This parameter has been placed in 4 division 12, you can see. If I click here, I can show my parameters in another application. This is for web services. You may create your web service to share your data with another ERP. You should click here. And also this is hidden parameters part. If I click here, the user can see the parameter in the table, but you can add or insert data in the hidden part. This is the mandatory part. This parameter is required or not. And is this the key parameter of the table? I will click here if the parameter is key. You can also add images here. How the parameter will measure, how parameter will the record will save in here. You can put your manual images here to measure data. The next part is about the scene part. For example, what will it be written in the screen when the user will fill the record. And also this is the smart code part. It's another feature of our application. You may set your record, you may create your own smart codes, and you may fill these parameters with a smart code. Actually, I will show it in the web part also. The details part, if the user will write any detail, this you should click here. And if the record is binding to a unit, for example, centimeter, meter, or kilogram, etc. And this is the information note. You can write any note to how the user will measure, or to enlighten the user how will he or she do it. The other part is about in mandatory parts, formatting the requirements. If it is mandatory, formatting code. This is the regex part. You can see it like that. etc. Sorry about that. Regular expression part, you may use your regular expression to save data, as it mentioned in Microsoft documents. This is the minimum value, this is the maximum value. These are also determining the standards of the parameters. You may set your parameters minimum or maximum or standard values here, and also you can use the calculation part here. For example, if the other parameter will be included this calculation, if I click here, I can write my mathematical functions here to calculate my minimum values here also. Now I'm closing it. This is also text parameter settings, because this parameter is text data type, so will it have more than one row? What is it encoding, default value, formatting code, etc. And the last one is the parametric dependency. This is for forbidding another insertion to another parameter, or forbidding allowing another parameters data insertion. For example, if this parameter equals like that in its display name, block access to relevant parameter, or block this parameter to change. For example, I can set the logic operators here. Now I'm canceling it. This is the parameter designing part.